Welcome to Friday of week 21. We have a spiced whole fish today and we are in Southeast Asia. We have done a lot of whole fishes. This is a little different. This is a dry, wet sort of a spice mix that will grill it in. For that, and it's very simple, all we'll do is we will process all the ingredients, put the paste on it, on the fish, and then put it in the oven. Broil it for 7 minutes on each side, and then that's it. So very simple, very easy. Should not take more than about 15-20 minutes at the most, including the prep. So the first thing we want to do is we want to score the fish. So you see I have 2 red snappers here. You can do one, just use, I have doubled the recipe here because I'm using 2 red snappers. So all I need to do is I want to put some gashes on the fish. So these were cleaned out. And you can see I kept it in the fridge, so it's pretty dry. And that's what you want. You want it to be pretty dry. So I'm going to do like 3 gashes here, 3 on the other side. So we'll do the same on this fish. We love seafood, so we tend to eat a lot. So in our recipes, you will see a lot of seafood. Like this whole week was, we did so many different seafoods. In this we have, these are green onions. So it's about 4 green onions chopped. And I chopped it because it makes it much easier. And then I have some peppers. So I have red bell peppers and some hot green chilies. So we'll put that in. Everything goes into the food processor. This is garlic, so about 8 cloves of garlic. Then we have ginger. It's about an inch and a half of ginger. Again, everything is cut into small pieces. This is an addition. This is not in the recipe, but I felt like to add it. So the lime, I zested the lime. So the green portion is the lime, and then I have some lemongrass. So just to provide a little bit more lemony, that lemony limey flavor. Here I have some coconut, that's shredded coconut, and I also will put some coconut on the top of the fish once it's done. And then I have oil, so that's 3 tablespoons of oil. I might need a little bit more for the fish, we'll see. And then this is 1 lime and 1 lemon, and the juice of that. So this will give it that tanginess that we look for. And then last but not least, we need salt. So a good portion of salt, because this is the only salt that we are going to use in the fish. So you need salt to penetrate the fish. And then we'll put the food processor on and make it into a paste. You can leave it a little chunky if you want to. It's up to you. Let me check. This actually looks pretty good, you can see. I do want to taste it. It has a bite from the chilies, lemony flavor, and the tartness from the lemon. I think I need a little bit more salt in this. So I'll add just a little bit more salt. And then I'll just process it. That's it. We'll put it on the fish. So you can see this looks like it's more watery than oil. So I do need a little bit more oil, otherwise this will not cook properly. So what I'll do is I'll add a tablespoon of oil in this. I'll just eyeball a tablespoon of oil here. Mix this together. And then I'll use my trusty old hands to put it all on the fish. First thing I want to do, again, I'm not using gloves, but make sure that you clean your hands. So I did clean my hands with soap and water. So I want to put generous portion of this inside the fish, and then you want to put, again, spread the places where you cut the fish and put this in there. Then I want to turn it over and do the same on this side. Make sure you get the marinade or the paste inside the fish. I will keep the rest for when the fish comes out, when it's cooked. So we'll keep this when the fish is, after the fish is cooked, we'll just spread a little bit on the top, so it'll make it a little bit more, a little bit of gravy. So that's it. We'll put this in the oven, under broil for about 7 to 8 minutes on one side. Turn the fish over and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. And then we'll check it and make sure it's done. Whole spiced fish is out of the broiler. So to serve it, we'll put some onions. And we dress the onions with, the marinade. So just put some onions on the bottom here. We'll take the fish. And we put it here. And then we put the sauce on top of the fish. We serve it on the side. Somebody wants to take a little more, and then to finish it off, we have a little bit of coconut, so shredded coconut, and we'll garnish that on top of the fish. Whole fish or whole spiced fish. This is the way we want to, I like to serve it. You can do your own, you can cut it into pieces, however you want it. Hope you like the video. This is a sweet, short way of doing a whole fish. Make sure that the fish is completely done. So to do that, what you need to do is put a knife and move a little bit of the skin, the flesh, and then you will see that the juices should run clear. So that's how you know that the fish is completely cooked. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. Bon appetit, and see you next week.